Alright guys, I finally have a chance to show you what we did with these containers. As you can see, they stacked ×2. We still have another one that is gonna go right here in between, and two more that are gonna go in between those two. Eventually I'll show you as soon as I get them. Let me get closer so I can tell you what we did, because these containers were placed right here, and as you can see, it's been a minute since they got moved. It's just that things around here have been quite a busy, to say the least, and I haven't had a chance to show you. But if you can visualize this container is gonna be here, 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 another one in between, and another one in between ×2. So it's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 levels high. So if you do the math behind, that's 8 × 4, that's 32 feet high from the floor. And this is the way it looks in between right now. Don't mind the mess. Again, we're still working on site, but this is the way it looks. We got some mechanisms that lock them at the corners, and so there's no way that they can move. This is a temp sitting. That's not a footing. That's not the way it's gonna stay by all means. It's just a test. And we just wanted to make sure that everything was level so we can place the other one on top, because once you do that, there is no wiggle room at all to push or pull. Once you got the crane out there and ready to assemble it, that's it, you're done, buddy. I don't want to show you this cool shot. Through the corner on that one that is finished. And the idea is to have the same thing here and here and here, so you have a uniform view from whatever you see it. And I'm gonna show you the inside. But yeah, that's what we got so far. Again, you know, we have some other work going on at the same time on site, and that's why we haven't had enough time to show you what we're doing with the containers. We got heavy equipment, machinery, we're doing undergrounds, we're doing roads, man, you name it. Everything that needs to be done on a construction site is going on right now at the same time on this side. So yeah, lucky me. So look at this, and we're juggling all this along with the containers. But so far so good. We check every now and then inside for leaks or vandalism. Neither has happened. Hopefully it just doesn't happen. But neither has happened. It's been like this for a few months, maybe 6, 8 months. You have to remember, this is the back side where we're gonna have our HVAC machine and our water heater and all the plumbing connections and electrical connections. And of course, this is gonna be out of here. This is just a test zone. You have to remember, we don't know what we're doing. We're just faking it till we make it. So, see you guys soon. If you have any questions, ask somebody else. I don't know what I'm doing, buddy. But thank you for watching. Hope you like this video, and if you can share it, it'll do a great chance for us to get promoted elsewhere. Not doing so good with the views, so I can use your help. If you like the product, share it. If you don't like it, even a bigger reason for you to share and say, look at this piece of crap. Anyway, from Nashville, Tennessee, I can see the light at the end of the tunnel.